In this quick video, guys, I'm going to share with you how to do affiliate marketing for beginners in 2023. The first step is go to muncheye.com and search for high-ticket products. For example, this one, they want to take profit from aiding booth. You can earn 50% from $3,497. The way to promote this product is go to clickbank.com, register in that affiliate network, then click here on the JB page, register here, and they are going to give you your affiliate links. Then you need to promote this product on YouTube. For example, like this one, you need to create a video with the keyword 123 profit review. If you search on YouTube, I'm ranking #1, and then once you have uploaded your video on YouTube, you need to put your affiliate links in the description. Follow me for more strategies.